A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to share YouTube videos to your Facebook page. So you notice here, I'm on my Facebook page, Jomuch Facebook page. And then now, here I have my YouTube channel. And now for me to share my YouTube videos to my Facebook page, I need to use a website called publi.com. So you'll go to publi.com. At the top right corner, you'll click on sign up for free so that you can sign up for an account. And then you complete the process of signing up for an account. It is simple. You simply use your email and password. And then with that, you will have created your Publi account and it will bring you now to this page. This is the Publi account when you log in. Now, you notice we have Public Connect, Public subscription billing, and all this, because what we want to do is to connect our Facebook page to our YouTube so that once we post a video on our YouTube, that video will be shared automatically to our Facebook page. So once you get here to publi.com, you click on the first one, Public Connect, and you click on Access Now down here, and that will bring you to this dashboard where you can view tasks allocated, tasks consumed, and tasks remaining. So with the free version of Public, you have 100 free tasks. You notice currently there are still 100 because we have not used any of those tasks. On the top right corner here, you will click on Create Workflow, and then you'll give the workflow name here. So I want to call this workflow link to Facebook and YouTube, and then you click down here on Create, and now it brings you to this page, and the link name, link to Facebook and YouTube. Then here we have two steps. You first choose your first application, that is the trigger, and then down here, step 2, you choose the next action or in the application. That means we want to post a video on YouTube here. That will be the trigger, and then the action that will be taken will be down here, where now that video link will be shared on our Facebook page. So to do that, practically, you come here and click on Choose App. Then you choose YouTube. You type there YouTube. You notice YouTube is here. You click on YouTube. And then you choose on the trigger event here. Which event do you want to be the trigger? If you click on that drop down arrow, you notice there are different triggers. New video in the channel with video URL. This triggers when a new video is added. You can have new comments, new comment on a video. So whichever trigger you want it to be. But in our case, we want when we post a video on YouTube, that is when we want the trigger to go to our Facebook page. So we select the first one there. And then on the top right corner, you notice we have the trigger, and this trigger will check for new data in 8 hours. You can upgrade to a premium plan to reduce the trigger time so that you can even have it check new content within 30 minutes, every 30 minutes. So, but with the free plan, we currently only have access to around 8 hours. That means if I post a video today, within today, the trigger will have indicated on Facebook. You now click on Connect down here, and then it brings you to this page. You choose YouTube if you want to add a new connection, or select existing connection. Because you want to add a new one, we click on that. You want to add a new connection, then you can give the new connection name down here. So this one, we are going to call it Josh, and then you click on Connect with YouTube, and it will now open this new page where now it will need you to indicate the channel where YouTube has been linked to. So there it is. So Public Connect videos once. Public Connect video wants to access your Google account. Then you can select all. If you want it to connect to external service, view YouTube content account and all that. And then down here, you click on continue. And there it is. It has been authorized successfully. Now, down here, you notice we have our channel automatically added. And we can now map our channel. We can now click on save and send test request. So we click on that. And now we come down here. You notice the test request has been given already. Now, if I come down here, if I come back to my YouTube channel, you notice we have several videos here, including this for channels with trending fashions and all that. And then we have this first video here called trial. And then we have this other video for trending girls wear. So you notice we have those videos. If I come back here, you'll notice we have the same trending girls wear. It's down here. And then Josh fashions, it's now here. So that means we have successfully linked what we could have wanted. Now, after that, you now come down here and choose your next application, which is the action. So we click on the drop down arrow, and then we now choose Facebook. And then we now click on Facebook pages. We click on that. And so then here we can select the action that will be happening to our Facebook page after uploading that video. So down here, I select, you notice I have multiple page post beta, multiple image post, whatever it is here, you select one, the one that you want. So in this case, we want to just create, we only want to create a page post. So you notice this one, create page post, creates a new post to your page. That's the one we want. So we are going to click on that. And then we now click on connect down here. If it's an existing connection, we click on the second one, but now it's a new one. We click on the first one there. Then we click on connect with Facebook pages. It now takes us again to our Facebook. And you notice we can continue. And then which page do we want? This is the page we want, the Joe Match page. I click on that. If we had several pages, we could have selected all of them. This is the page we want. Click on next. And then what is Public Connect allowed to do? You can select what you want it to do. Is it to manage ads? Whatever it is, to create and manage content, to read content, you select the ones that you want here. And then once you're done, you just come down here and click on done. And now it's linking Public to Facebook. You've now linked Public Connect to Facebook. You click on OK. And now authorization has been successful. You notice that has been done to our Joe Match page. And then now down here, enter the text or the map data, enter the message to be published on the Facebook page. So in this case, you just enter the message. Maybe I'll type the message. Hi there. Check my new video on YouTube. Just like that. And then we click now on save and send test request. And with that, you notice again, our details have been saturated here. All the details for our page. This is the message that it will be given. Then the URL is here. The access token is here. The ID is here. So if now we are satisfied, we click on save. And then the data has been saved successfully. And with that now, anytime we post a video on YouTube, it's going to appear directly on our Facebook page. So if now I come back to my Facebook page and post any new video here, automatically there'll be a message posted on my Facebook page. And that is how you can simply share YouTube videos directly or automatically to your Facebook page. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.